Alright guys, so I'll do a little quick video on four to the door like I've been mentioning in my videos. So I haven't cut the two lines down the size exactly what I wanted, so it's still two 50-foot hoses, 2 inches. So got the Boss filter, got my one line. This is a short run setup, so I only needed 50 feet. So I figured this is a good opportunity to show you guys. So one line out of the front, the other port covered. Again, these are 2-inch ports, 4 of them. You got 2 lines going out the back, running back out there into those 2 separate ports on the machine. So this is helping me increase my CFMs and my lift at the wand. And that last job I did in the video, it was tough to push the wand with the one hand and holding the camera. So I may have the same situation here. It's a slightly different carpet, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys really quick. 4 to the door, just 4 inches of hose, and then when it sections off the one near the door. So I guess that's whoever thought this up decided to call it that. Don't know all the technical stuff behind it, other than the fact that it helps and makes a difference in dry times and me pulling stuff out of the carpet. So that's what I care about. Increased dry times, better cleaning. Can't beat that. So 4 to the door, again, 2 separate 2-inch lines, 1 in each port on the machine. Of course, your machine has to be able to take dual wand jobs, that large of a unit. Run 2 into your filter or a Y if you don't have a filter and you're using a Y hookup that has, obviously goes out like that, and then on the back side of it you got your single port like this, bringing down to the 1 2-inch. Either way makes a huge difference. Personally, I like the filter because now everything coming out gets caught in this filter before it makes its way into my machine, making more maintenance as far as cleaning the filters that are in the waste tank and the baskets that are before the waste tank, right where those hoses are hooked into. Right behind it there's 2 waste baskets, and I actually put that 5-gallon paint strainer bag in there as well. So I have 2 lines of filtration, so if something makes its way through this bag, it's probably going to get caught at the next one. So this helps, from my understanding, save your unit from potential breakdowns when you've taken in too much debris and stuff like that, or something big makes its way through there. It's going to get caught in here and not sent into your machine and cause issues. So anyways, 4 to the door. Thank you so much.